I would say he's an excellent cardiologist, and looking at the type of cases and the variety of cases that he showed us, my respect for him has grown tremendously, and I really thank the team for giving us this opportunity to be a part of this workshop. Thank you.
Dr. Sharath and his team was fully dedicated to this program, and everyone did their best to make us understand as to what is happening.
So Decoding IVUS program by Dr. Sharath Reddy sir and team has been an excellent program. It's very comprehensive.
About sir and team, I need not say anything. They were really cooperative. They answered a lot of questions we asked them, and it was a great discussion with them, and we look forward to such programs in the future. Thank you.
Regarding Dr. Sharath Reddy sir, he's a gem of a person and a gem of an interventional cardiologist we have in our country.
Sir is redefining the cardiology, and he's more into the basics so that everyone can understand the basics of cardiology.
And Dr. Sharath has done an excellent job in decoding IVUS. Regarding the second thing, that Dr. Sharath and his team has done an excellent job in arranging this program.
And as far as Sharath sir and his team is concerned, being such a great cardiologist and being at the top of his career, since he appeared so simple and he explained things to us in a very basic and simple way.
Thank you, Sharath sir, for organizing such a great workshop on IVUS. I think we all delegates, including me, are benefited.
Team led by Sharath Reddy is very good, and they taught us basics and all the advantages of IVUS in coronary intervention.